Hi, I'm Neely Nathan. I have a TV show and a website, Great Healing Getaways, where I write, research, and report on holistic health. It's been my life's passion, and I'm happy to share some tips with you today. We're talking about homemade facials and how you can make some. This next one is a relaxing mask using oatmeal. The first thing that you need to do is get your bowl, and you're going to put 6 teaspoons of sweet almond oil. There we go. You can find almond oil in a health food store, just like the essential oils. And I'm using violet leaf. We're going to be using 2 drops of each of the essential oils. This is 2 drops of violet. Make sure you don't use synthetic. Check the labels. You always want to get 100% pure. This is lavender. About 2 drops in there, and this is neroli oil, which you will find neroli oil in a lot of beauty products these days. It's very nourishing for the skin. So we have our essential oils in the sweet almond oil. Next thing we do is take enough oatmeal, just regular plain old oatmeal from your kitchen cupboard. Drop enough in there to make a paste, because this is going to go on your face. I'm going to need to add just a tiny bit more of the oil. So there, you could just, it's child's play. There we go. And this is the consistency of it. That smells really good. And then what you'll do is put that on your face like that. Lay down for about 20-25 minutes. Deep breathe, relax, and let the nourishing oils rejuvenate your facial skin. And then rinse off with nice warm water.